Scheduling a showing tour with more than a couple houses can be a little bit confusing if you don't know where those properties are located. So let me show you how to take several properties and map them out with showing time. Let's say you have a client looking for properties anywhere in Wake County under 500,000 for a detached property. It has to be on the market available, and it needs to have at least 3,500 square feet. I've got it down to 16. They need 4 bedrooms. That drops it to 15. And they really want a master on the main floor. So that gives us 5 properties. Let's see where those 5 properties are at. All right, they're kind of in a large area. My client's coming from this direction, so we probably want to start here and go this way to our homes. So I'm going to select all the properties that I want to show. I'm going to hit Actions and send them to showing time. I'm going to add all of these items to the showing cart, and it's going to ask me which buyer am I going to be working with. And if you don't have buyers in here, you simply add new, add a name, and add their email address, and create. Now you're going to schedule showings for that particular buyer. When it populates them in, it gives you an order that's unrelated to the order you might want to show the homes in. So if I want to start on number 2, I want to move number 2 to the top, and that reorders that to be the first house. And if I want number 4 to be the second house I'm going to find, I'm going to go down to number 4 and drag it into second place. Now I have 1 and 2, but now I want to go over to number 4. So I'm going to make that one the third one I go to. And then the last 2 also need to be switched. So now I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As an alternative, you can also ask the system for the smart route. When I click that, it's going to automatically determine what it feels is the best route for driving. It wants me to go north, then straight down here, and then over to Cary. I prefer my route, so again, I'm going to go back. I'm going to make number 5 the third one, and then I'm going to make this 5 the fourth one, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I'm ready to go ahead and request my showing time. 1:30 to 2:30. It's a 25-minute drive, so if I get there at 1:30, I'm there for a half hour, it'll be 2, so I'll get to this next one at 2:30. It's a 45-minute drive to the next one, so if I leave there at 3, I'll be here at about 3:45. And that's a 25-minute drive, so if I leave there by 4:15, I should be to the next one by 4:45. And it's a 21-minute drive to the next house, so I should be at that one no later than 5:15. And now you're ready to send your request.